So Terry's got 3 trout in the aluminum foil packets that he's making. We're going to stick those on the small grill and let them cook in the aluminum foil. We're going to throw some corn on the cob on there. And then I've got some butter that I'm heating up. We're going to throw some trout and fry some trout up in some butter. That heat turned up a little bit. We want this nice and hot to get the fish nice little crispy outside skin on there. Drop those in there. We got some lemon juice, garlic, salt, and paprika. I'm pretty sure we can drop one of these fish in here now. Should get a nice sizzle on there. Well, that's not what I was trying to do. I was trying to save that middle for the big one. And we'll come back and show you how the rest of the fish looks once we get ready to turn it. And the trout have now been flipped. They have a nice crusty skin. Let them sit for a couple more minutes and they're going to be done. And that is trout right out of the creek. Low Gap Creek Campground. Up here for 4th of July. Getting some fried trout, some smoked trout, some corn on the cob, trout. Yum, trout. Straight, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful trout.